What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Erin. If you aren't new and you've been a subscriber for a little while, did you notice my new intro? I spent the last couple days making a new banner, a new intro, a new outro, so I'm really excited to finally put it on a video. But the purpose of today's video is not my new artwork, it is a Stitch Fix unboxing, first impressions, try on haul, whole 9 yards. So my last video I did Trunk Club, and word around town is Trunk Club is more for a younger audience and Stitch Fix is for an older audience. So I'm gonna figure out if that is true. First impressions off the bat, it did take a little bit longer to come in than it did with Trunk Club. I did have more communication with my stylist through Trunk Club than I did through Stitch Fix, and the box is so much smaller. So I think it's safe to say that there's no shoes in this one, but those are just like initial first impressions. Before I get into more details, I'm gonna ask you guys to give this video a thumbs up. You can also subscribe down below. It is the red subscribe button. And as always, I leave my Instagram handle right up in the corner for you guys. It is at Erin Heartbreak. So, some of my notes with Stitch Fix, I did a style quiz. I think I did like 2 style quizzes because I wrote style quiz twice on my notes, so I'm not sure why I would do that. Like I said, I did order Stitch Fix and Trunk Club at the same time, and Stitch Fix did take longer to come in, so memory's a little hazy, but I did sign up for monthly. They did say it would be coming in around that time. They just took a little bit longer than Trunk Club is my only point. It was a $20 styling fee for Stitch Fix, where Trunk Club was a $25 styling fee, but honestly, spending the extra $5 with more communication was worth it to me, in my opinion. And I did end up taking 2 styling quizzes. One was like the fit, how I like my clothes, do I like them baggy, do I like them tight, just what my style is, and then my opinions on distressed denim. Kind of random, but whatever. So I'm not going to pull everything out right here. I am going to unbox it though, in front of you guys. Well, while I'm on camera at least. So off the bat, the box is cute. It does say like what they do, their purpose, whatever. Looks like they sent some jewelry. Oh, they did send a return slip, which is nice. They sent the label, and then it looks like there's 1, 2, 3. So it looks like the difference that I'm seeing, at least just off the bat for Stitch Fix, is they send you an outfit. So it looks like they sent a piece of jewelry, a sweater, a shirt, 2 sweaters or 2 shirts, and a pair of jeans, where Trunk Club sent you different pieces to kind of build out your wardrobe, and Stitch Fix is giving you an outfit, I guess, to see if you like it, see what your style is. So let's head over into my bedroom so I can try this stuff on for you guys. I know you guys are dying to see what I'm wearing when I have a full beat face. Ta-da! This is what I actually look like when I'm filming. I put on a shirt, I don't even have a bra on, I put on a shirt, and then I'm in sweatpants and like fuzzy socks. So let's see. Wanna say hi, Cal? Say hi. So this is the box, like I just said, a lot smaller. I believe this is the jewelry, packing slip, probably details about my order, and then this is over here. So it says, thanks for letting us style you, what to do next. I know what to do next, try on clothes obviously. So here we have a cardigan. I don't know. I mean, I don't think it's really my style, but again, I'm obviously gonna try it all on. So the front is thicker and not as see-through, and then the back is this crochet pattern. Yeah, this is gonna be a no for me, dog. Sorry, my husband and I always say that, so now I say it. Here we have a tank top. Personally, I don't wear patterns, like ever, and if I do, it's very minimal and I'll never wear the outfit again, so probably not gonna like this. This looks like a blanket. Wow, this looks huge. So here we have this gray long sleeve shirt. It's very soft. I think it'd be great for spring, but it's gray and it has like brown stitching. 3 out of 3, definitely not impressed with Stitch Fix. Like, none of this is my style. I could definitely see my mom in all of this stuff. And then we have a pair of dark denim. I like the hem. It has that raw hem. Yeah, I mean, the pants and the shirt stitching definitely goes. Like, this would be cute together, but ugh. Also sent this bracelet. So it has some gold, silver, gray, just like metallic tones. I actually don't wear bracelets, so I wouldn't keep this just because I don't wear bracelets, but I mean, it's not that bad, but it's not something that I would wear. I like a lot of simple jewelry, clean, maybe a little bit of sparkle, but this just has too much going on for me. I keep saying I'm gonna go try stuff on, but then I find more stuff. So they packed this little thing in there, and they basically just give you ways to style each of the items, which I think is really nice because it's true, you might get the piece and then what do you do with it? So they give you a way to style the jeans, the cardigan, that gray top, and then the tank top. So clearly this isn't supposed to be an outfit all together, but they give you ideas and ways to wear everything together, which is nice. But like, I wouldn't wear any of that. Guys, so here we have outfit 1, I guess. So here's the shirt. It just looks like it looks like a pajama shirt to me. Like this, it's so big. Like, I don't know. I am 27. I think I have a nice figure. I'm not really trying to hide my body, and I'm just like swimming in this. So it is comfortable, but I'm not doing Stitch Fix for a pajama like subscription. I was gonna say prescription. Subscription. I'm doing it for pieces to build out my closet, and this just doesn't do anything for me. I actually like really hate it. So moving on to the jeans. These are extremely high-waisted, which I love. The color is really nice as well. Wow, I cannot speak. The color is really nice as well. They're super comfortable. I do wish that the hem, like the leg, was more straight and like not, why can I not talk? I wish the hem of the pant like flared out a little bit more and wasn't so tight around my calf. I wish it just went straight down my leg and didn't hug my calf. But they do fit nicely. I mean, they look good. They are a little like stretchy up here, but you can't tell. I feel like if I moved around throughout the day, they would just be really comfortable and wouldn't stretch out. Like, they're not the best jeans that I've ever tried on in the whole entire world. I'll tell you the prices of everything after, but this is look 1. Okay, so here we have outfit 2, basically. I put the tank top on. I'll just show you the cardigan first. So here's the cardigan. It is super light. It's clearly like see-through in the front as well. Not as see-through as in the back, but definitely a lighter cardigan. Definitely something for like a summer night, a spring day. I couldn't get away with wearing this right now at night. This is a cute detail. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be nice, but I feel like this order just came here from Kohl's. And I haven't looked at the prices yet, but I have a feeling that they're gonna be like kind of expensive. So here's the back of the cardigan. No, this just isn't me. Like, again, I feel like this box would be great for my mom. This is more my sister's style as well. Again, not knocking anyone's style. It's just not how I dress or clothes that I would grab to put on a Saturday to run errands or to go to the office on a Tuesday morning. It's just not my style. So I'll show you guys the tank top. It's like halter neck. The material's nice. It's thicker. Again, I don't love patterns. I don't think that this stripe pattern is flattering at all. If anything, it would make you look like you have really wide hips and it doesn't do anything for your shape. So don't really know what's going on there. And then this is the back. This is the Stitch Fix box. So that was a fail. Oh my God, that was like, no thank you. No thank you, ma'am. So before I kind of summarize the video, I want to go over the brands that they sent and the prices. So that cardigan was from Love Ellie and it's $44. No, nope, $44 might not even sound like a lot, but the way that I shop, like the H&M cardigan that I have, sorry, from trying on clothes, my hair is like so staticky and clinging to my face and I just want to shave it off. So I can buy a really nice cardigan that is more of a classic piece for $20 and better material. So no to the $44 cardigan that is thin as all hell and has like crochet detail. That gray long sleeve shirt was from Pink Clover, $40. Again, it reminded me of pajamas. I would not pay $40 for a pajama shirt. So I like the jeans, but I didn't love the jeans as soon as I saw the price tag. So the jeans are from Sam Edelman and they came in a size 4. So maybe if they were a size 2, they'd fit my waist better, but the size 4 fit my like hips and legs better, which is why I would not pay $88 for these jeans because they did not fit me perfectly. And I have a lot of other jeans, like my mom jeans from River Island that are great material and they were like $70 and they fit me perfectly. So no to the jeans. Then that bracelet was by Canvas. It was $28. I feel like my godchild could have made that bracelet. Like my sister's making jewelry right now from crap she buys at Michael's and she could do that and not charge me $28. And last but not least, we had the tank top. That was from Layla Jade and that was $44. So they break it down for you, which is nice. I didn't notice this in my trunk club, but the total was $244, which is reasonable. I mean, you got a full outfit. If the pieces were better quality, more classic on, like, you can have a classic piece that's more on trend, if that makes any sense. They do give you a discount of 25% off if you do purchase everything that they give you. And basically your styling fee credit goes towards that total, which is nice. I didn't realize that. Again, I didn't notice that with Trunk Club, so it might have been that way too, but at the end of the day, if I had to pick one or the other, I would definitely go with Trunk Club. I think Trunk Club came faster, they communicated a lot better, they had a hell of a lot more pieces. Their pieces, some of them were in this price range and then some were more expensive, but the quality of their pieces was so much better, whether it was the material, the print, the tail, like how it was tailored, the cut of the piece, they just gave better items. So personally, in my opinion, based on both boxes, getting them like 4 days apart, I would definitely pick Nordstrom's Trunk Club over Stitch Fix. And I texted my mom because the whole reason I even got this idea was because my mom wanted me to sign her up for Stitch Fix. So I did, and I thought, wait, let me compare the two, that would be fun. And I texted her to ask her if she had received her box, if she liked it, and she's the worst texter in the world and didn't respond back to me, so to be determined. But for me, everything's gonna be going back. I need to return my Trunk Club box today as well. I'm still indecisive on what pieces I'm keeping from that box. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it down below for you guys. But that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.